Welcome to my third episode of Meals Under 50 Rand. Today I went to Woolworths and I knew we would struggle, but eventually I found a butternut and chickpea curry roll for under 50 Rand, 49.99. So the problem with Woolworths, you have to eat it up, so I did that. So let's taste it. It's all about the taste. So let me open it first and let's try it. It looks quite nice. Not bad. There's no meat in this. It's really nice. But it's really expensive. I'll give this a 7.7 out of 10. Thanks guys, till next time. Love you all.